So how do we engage the youth that is more bombarded with technology, the smartphones in this natural world? So the youth of today is more disengaged from the environmental aspects of things. So they're always on this fast life and all those things. Yes, they are the future of taking the one world forward. So how do we, as the current generation, engage our youth to participate in this environmental fight for the future? Because if we leave them behind, the problem is whatever we're doing, whatever efforts we put, conservation efforts we put to save this planet, so we're doing it for them. So if they're not part of it, then how do we engage and make sure they become part and parcel of the solution that we make? Because you can't prepare for the future and leaving behind the people that will be living on that future.
We all have an important message to share with the world. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's spiders or scorpions or trees, it could be family, it could be charity, and it doesn't matter whether you work in a large organization, as a private individual, as a field guide, or just someone who's concerned about the future of their children. It doesn't matter what your message is. It's important to get that message out. For many people, public speaking is their number one fear in life. And it's up there with the fear of spiders and the fear of death. But it shouldn't be like that. The only difference between professional speakers and the average person on the street who's afraid of public speaking is that professional speakers have learned how to take that nervousness and convert it into energy. And this is what they radiate when they're on stage. A conservation leadership workshop is about stepping up to the leadership challenge for yourself, for your family, for your society and for the world. It's about believing in your message and realizing that if you don't get that message out to the world, you're doing the world a disservice. If you have a message for the world, it doesn't matter how old you are, where you work, your job, your organization, it doesn't matter what it is. It's your responsibility to get that message out as far and wide as possible. Then this workshop is for you.
Just learning how to approach people when you speak, what is important, the couple of tricks that you need to carry that message over, because you can have the message but not the ability to carry it over and be effective. And I think putting those two together, learning what your message needs to be and how to get your message across, work perfectly.
The public speaking today was absolutely fantastic. It just brought us out of our comfort zone. We have to deal with the public on a daily basis. Just gave us some tips, great tools to use, to apply, how to make it work and to make it more effective. That was absolutely amazing, and I want to thank you for all of this. Thank you very much.